Hi, this is Mike from CommsWise. I'm going to show you a short video today about internet resilience. As you know, everything's dependent on having an internet connection these days. If you lose it, nobody can work, so you can lose thousands. This will cost very little, cost your IT company a fortune in lost revenue and save you thousands. It's so simple. I can't believe I don't see it in any of the businesses I go to, and that's hundreds. So what you need for it is a router with more than one WAN connection. The one I'm showing you here is a Draytec, which has got a ADSL VDSL connection and then an Ethernet WAN port, WAN 2. You can get cheaper versions, Netgear or TP-Link. Probably won't set you back much more than about £50, something like that. The other thing you need is a wireless repeater. The one that I'm using here is this model, which is a TP-Link wireless repeater. It's got to have an Ethernet connection. This one has at the bottom there, you can see. And so the first thing to do is take your mobile phone, it can be Android or iPhone, and if you haven't already done so, set up your wireless hotspot and switch it on. The next thing to do is to configure your wireless repeater. So plug it in, and what you do, for this particular one, plug it in as long as you're on the same network. This one is on the 192.168.0.range, and so you set your machine up to something other than 254, and that's what you log into. There's the opening screen, just chuck in any old password there. Probably have to rescan this. I've only just turned the hotspot on. Let's just do a rescan. Okay, there's our hotspot. So type in the password for it. And we save that. That just reboots and we should be good to go. The next stage is to basically plug that wireless repeater into the WAN 2 of our router. Okay, there we go. So we can see there that our WAN one, that's the VDSL connection, that's working. Okay, so that's done. Okay, we can unplug that now and go and plug it in. If you just bear with me a second. Okay, that's plugged into the WAN 2. So we need to configure the second WAN up on here. Okay, that's enabled, that's fine. Okay, so the settings for WAN 2, first of all we need to enable it. That's going to be static or dynamic IP. Go to the details page, enable it. We don't need to put anything in there. Obtain an IP address automatically, and we're good to go. Click that. Okay. Needs a reboot. Yeah, I mean, this is going to be using the data from your mobile phone. Okay, it's not ideal because you probably don't get that much data per month, but it's going to be pretty okay for the email certainly. You probably just want to make sure you don't really want to do a lot of downloads or browsing stuff that's going to use a lot of data. We get 4 gigs on our phones a month. You know, for the duration that you're going to be down, you should be okay. Okay, that's okay. You can see there the WAN one hasn't come up, but if you can see there, WAN 2 has come up, and it's showing connected, and we should. Okay, so that's working now, and we've got, you know, we can browse on that. We'll probably get 9 meg or something like that. That's working on 4G, so it should be a pretty good connection. I hope this is of use to you. Thank you.